Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is an impressive model that stands out in the crowded field of electric scooters, particularly for those who crave adventure and versatility. With options for 500, 800, and 1,200 watts of power, this scooter caters to a wide range of riders, whether you're commuting to work or exploring rugged terrain. One of the most notable features of the Caroma Peak is its robust 20-inch off-road tires, which provide excellent traction and stability. This design not only enhances the riding experience on bumpy trails but also makes it easier to navigate city streets and uneven surfaces. The added comfort of the seat is a great touch, allowing for longer rides without the fatigue that comes from standing. In terms of performance, the scooter does not disappoint. Depending on the model you choose, the range is impressive: 15, 25, or even 30 miles on a single charge. This makes it a practical choice for both short urban commutes and longer weekend excursions. The acceleration is smooth, and the top speed is adequate for both leisurely rides and quicker trips, ensuring you won't feel left behind in traffic. The build quality of the Caroma Peak is commendable. It feels sturdy and durable, which is essential for an off-road scooter. The folding mechanism is convenient, making it easy to transport or store when not in use. Additionally, features like front and rear lights enhance safety, particularly when riding at dusk or in low-light environments. While the scooter shines in many areas, it's worth noting that the weight can be a bit cumbersome for some users if they need to lift it frequently. Furthermore, the assembly instructions could be clearer, which may pose a challenge for those who aren't mechanically inclined. Overall, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance scooter that can handle both urban and off-road environments. Its blend of power, range, and comfort positions it as a worthy investment for adventure enthusiasts and daily commuters alike.